君は。
알아봐.
That's okay. Do you think you can touch down a little?
Why don't I just sit down on this chair? Milo, if she gets annoyed by this, I don't want to do this. If you're too picky, I don't want to do this.
Okay, but it's once in a lifetime, you know.
I know. We can just take the photo. She doesn't have to look and this and that.
Okay, can you come this way?
She's starting to get uncomfortable.
Because you're like not doing it.
She was
correctly.
happy the way she was.
Okay, how don't you hold this and I'll do that part.
No. Can you fix a little head? Where's the thing? Anything.
Here, this is a lot better. Okay. Like this. Is that okay?
My head's a little cropped out now. Oh, pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Yellow, so yellow.
You don't know? Don't you like meat?
Don't you know?
What? 君は。
알아봐.
That's okay. Do you think you can touch down a little?
Why don't I just sit down on this chair?
ほら、君はいいの。
Just take the chair out there. No. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. Good.
And then you have to pull it more that way.
You wanna come this way?
How's this? 미kan kun jama.
And then you think, yeah, she could be a little bit more. Like, can I move her?
What do you want me to do? Just
I want her head here facing this way.
Yeah, but she's gonna be uncomfortable like that.
But I just held her like by myself like that though.
Okay, maybe I'll give her a tummy.
Like, look at.
Hold on.
I took these by myself, you know.
But she looks so uncomfortable.